As we continue to touch on items that you can do to prepare for a home purchase, I wanted to talk a little bit about credit. On the last video, we spoke about income and I hope that was helpful. But today, let's talk about credit. With credit, again, consistency is super important. If you've been paying your credit cards, your automobile payments, student loans, whatever it may be, consistently, continue to do so. What I would also say is if you are planning on paying down credit cards, paying down items in large chunks, please hold off until we're able to talk. I've had folks who move forward and pay off maybe collections, maybe credit cards where it was not really necessary, and then it was tighter for them with funds to close, maybe for their down payment or other things. If this could be a hindrance for you moving forward, this is something that we might be able to work through if we're able to speak first and then work through that. With regards to student loans, remember student loans, for many people, they've been deferred for some time. And with a conventional loan, we'll need to use 1% of that balance as your payment. With an FHA loan, we only are required to use 0.5% payment for that particular student loan account. So remember that. That's something that's going to be included in what's considered your liabilities and be part of your ratios. Anything else that you have questions about, we can talk through and I'll advise as such. Also, if you're worried about your credit score possibly being a little bit low, remember there are programs going all the way down to a 580 credit score. And when I do the initial pull, which I always pull a soft pull initially, which won't even show up on your credit report, I'm able to do an analysis and let you know specifically some steps to do with the least amount of money out of pocket to bring your score up as much as possible. So for instance, if you were, say, at a 670, we're looking at FHA, you wanted to do a conventional loan, maybe it would be best for you to be over 700, 720, or even at a 740 credit score. I could analyze your credit and see what it would take specifically for you to get up to that higher range. That's something I can do for you as well. So again, any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you again.